Welcome back to this channel, and in today's tutorial I'm going to show you on how to find latest goods on Xianyu shopping app. So let's begin. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure Lincoln 1688, Talba, or Pinduoduo, or Idlefish, or you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, or you want me to coach you on how you can be a procurement agent, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial about China importation using Xianyu shopping app. So with that being said, let's get started. Welcome back to this video. Let's see how to find the latest goods on Xianyu shopping app. Okay, so the very first thing we want to do is to make sure we head over to our Xianyu shopping app. So I'm going to click on here to open my Xianyu shopping app. It's going to load up like this. So the next thing you want to do is to make sure you click on here to visit all the latest items that was posted or latest good that was posted on this app. So click on that. Then it take you to all this page. Now you can see this one right here posted 48 hours ago. This one 72 hours ago. This one 72 hours ago. You can simply scroll down and see more latest item that was posted on the Xianyu shopping app. So if you are interested in any of the item, what you need to do is to simply click on the product link. Then when you click on the product link, I'm going to click on it straight up. Then it takes you to the sales page here. You can read detail about the product. And if you want to contact the seller, you will have to simply click on here to chat them up to ask for detail about the item before you can go ahead and place order. You can also negotiate price as far as this app is concerned. Now, for you to charge the supplier, for you to charge the seller, what you need to do is to simply click on here and send in your message to the seller. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to simply find the latest goods on Xianyu shopping app. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more tutorial about China importation business. And lastly but not the least, if you want me to procure Lincoln 1688, Talba, or Pinduoduo, or Idlefish, or you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, or you want me to coach you on how you can be a procurement agent, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.